Good morning, students. Welcome to the course Power Semiconductor Drives. Myself, Dr. C. Venkatesh. I'll be handling this course for your 6th semester. Yeah. During this introduction of the course, let us see what are the objectives, syllabus, and outcomes of the course, which textbooks you have to refer, and what are the benefits of this course, that is, knowledge, skills, and qualities of the course. The schedule of lecture, how we are following topic by topic during the classwork, what are the course projects and assessment procedure, and what are the expectations from you, shall discuss today. Mainly the course deals with the fundamentals and the dynamics of electric drives and speed control of DC motors and AC motors. So by the end of the course, you'll be having these skills. You'll be able to estimate the requirements of industrial drives. You'll be able to design the control schemes for rectifier and chopper controlled DC drives, control schemes for induction motor and synchronous motor drives. Unit 1 is actually the fundamentals of electric drives. Before going to the control schemes, it is essential to know what is the meaning of an electric drive and what are the various components that are present in the electric drive. And in this, the two main important parts are the converter and the electrical machine. So you should know about the electrical machine, its operation, and how that motor speed control or torque can be controlled. It is also required to know about the transient and steady state behavior of the motor. What are the various types of loads that are connected? What is the combination of load and motor combination? So what is the electrical and mechanical equivalent? These are the things that are very much essential. Based on that, you can select a suitable converter and the control scheme. The motor that is selected is operating in forward direction, backward direction, and also in running or braking condition. So the total electric drive should provide the facility for this motor load combination operation. So the end of this unit, you will be able to estimate the requirements of industrial drives. Unit 2 deals with the speed control mechanisms for DC drives, and you'll study in two types, by using rectifiers and by using choppers. The converters that you have already studied in power electronics course. Now we will study in particular how these converters can be used to control the speed of the DC motor. The motor combination can be used in motoring, plugging, reverse motoring, or regenerative braking operation. So the converter, which type of converter is suitable for which operation, that we'll study in detail. In Unit 3, it is the control of induction motor, and hence we'll study about the induction motor drives using AC voltage controllers and inverters. So we'll study in particular the slip power controlled wound rotor induction motors, which is with techniques called as the static rotor resistance control, constant torque and constant power drives, Scurbius and Kramer drives. Unit 4 deals with the control of synchronous motor drives, its braking and speed control operation by using inverters. We'll also see that cycloconverters can also be employed for the operation of synchronous motor drives. The textbook that is prescribed for this power semiconductor drives is Fundamentals of Electrical Drives by G.K. Dubey. You can refer this one. For additional reference, you can refer textbooks by Vedam Subramaniam, B.K. Bose, P.S. Bimra, and Day and Sain. So as discussed with the objectives and outcomes, you'll be able to get these knowledges and skills. And in addition, any course will offer the qualities for the student with academic integrity and honesty, effective judgment, ability to work independently, and time management. The lecture schedule consists of 3 hours per week, and dear students, you have to follow active learning mode. With that, whatever the learning material that is shared to you, please go through that one and come prepared for the class. We will have the discussion so that you can involve in any discussion or doubts clearing. Go through the lecture summaries that are shared in the course web and also solve the lecture level problems. Be ready to involve in discussions as on the indicated topics during regular classwork. Unit level and course level summaries will also be shared for your benefit. So there are some self-learning topics listed in OBLS. This for this topic summary will be shared and you have to go through and be prepared for the class. Okay. Additional materials will be shared. Course projects related to drives, DC drives and AC drives will be shared to you. You can go through the list of course projects in the course web, and for the student who are completing the course projects, certificate will be issued. Internal assessment is done based on your submission of special assignments on course research paper and course patent paper, program based assignments 1 and 2, minor exam 1 and 2, MSc 1 and 2, and the external exam is your external assessment. So be regular to the class, do not miss any class. Assignments you solve on your own. This time only 2 assignment questions will be given. Additional assignment questions are for your practice. Submit assignment in time. An additional of 1 week can be given. Further, the CMS will be freezed and hence your assignment marks cannot be updated further. So how this course is useful? This course imparts knowledge and skills on speed control of DC and AC motors, need for closed loop operation of the drives, applications of AC and DC drives in industries and commercial applications. So be regular to the class as informed and maintain 100% attendance, or in any emergency, uh, if you are absent, the minimum attendance that is required is 75%. And every week as you are having meet your counselor, if any student having less than 80% should bring parents during MYC. So the classwork will start from 2nd January, Monday. Dear students, happy learning.